Welcome back to R for Economics. Now we're going to talk about some summary statistics that we can do in R fairly easily. So we're going to have a variable 0, 10, 15 to 20. Generate our variable. We can see it written out here and also in our environment variables. And if we want the mean of this, we just type mean in parentheses b, which is our number variable, which is 14.375. We did the mean of that series, we get the exact same thing. We want the median. Where is the median? Well, it's going to be just a little bit larger than 16, because that's just about between the 17 and the 17 and the 16. Now, if we want the variance, we can also compute the variance, which is 43. And we can actually get a bunch of summary statistics on this, where it'll say, well, what's the minimum value? What's the maximum value? Well, that's 0 and 20. What's the median? What's the mean? What's the 75th percentile or the third quartile? And the first quartile. Okay, so we can get this kind of information. So if we wanted to get quantiles directly, we can get our quantiles going through, and this is the quintiles, 0 to 25, or the quantiles, depending on how you want to look at it. So we could also do 95th quantile. So let's say we want to be specific. We want to look at a certain number, which is right up here, which is 19.3. If we'd like two of them, we can do the 75th and the 90th quantile, and we can obtain those quite easily. Okay, so let's look at this with a larger data set. So let's get a data frame in here. And now we have our attitude and our mean of our attitude. There's our variable. And if we type mean of attitude, is not numeric, it's not logical. So it's 30 observations, 7 variables. So we need to think about our class of it. Class of attitude is the data frame. So let's see if we can get the mean of just one column. We can't, so you have to make sure that the type is correct. Okay. So you can't take values of things that are not numeric. Okay, this looks numeric, but it's actually coming in as not numeric is what it's saying. Okay, and that ends this session, and we'll see you in the next one.